Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to clear search history in Snapchat on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat app. So here is my Snapchat app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys I'm already logged into my Snapchat account. If you haven't, just log in. And after that you have to tap on your profile picture at the top left. So let me tap on this. And after that you have to tap on this gear icon, this settings at the top right. And I have this settings, this screen opened. And on this screen you have to scroll down to account actions section. So let me go to that. And here I have this account actions, this section. And in this section you can see here we have this clear search history. So you have to tap on this. Let me tap on this. And I have this pop-up, clear search history. This will clear your search query history. So here we have two options, clear and cancel. So you have to tap on this clear this button. Let me tap on this. And you can see guys message at the top, search history cleared. So that's it. After that you can go back to your main screen. So let me go to that. So thanks for watching. In this way you can easily clear search history in Snapchat on iPhone. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.